In this lecture, you will learn that how you can create an awesome logo using Canva. First of all, again, let's just talk about its demand. So you will go to every business, any kind of YouTube channel, any kind of organization, any kind of like personal, like any personality. Everyone needs logo. For their branding. So just when we'll just search for logo design, it's just a simple thing, but here you can see $125, $40 and $50, $155, and reviews are in thousands. It means they have hundreds of thousands of clients, and there is a potential customer base for logos when we'll search for pro services. So here you can see the pro services. In pro services, they are selling the logos for $300, $500, and in the much higher prices, and they have hundreds of reviews as well. When we'll sort by best selling, then you will see there are a lot best-selling logo designers who have hundreds of reviews and are selling for hundreds of dollars. And there are a lot types of logos. I'll tell you how you can design them on Photoshop or Illustrator. These type of logos requires like hours or maybe days, but with Canva you can design a logo easily within an hour or 2 hours. Okay. This is just a really a lot professional logo, but a simple logo you can create within 15 minutes. So click on create a design, search for logo, click logo, and here you have a space for logo. Here you can just click for here and rename it, like let's say a logo. And now here you have all the categories. You want food logo, house logo, music logo for music, or you want a logo for book, fashion, or type in the industry you are in. Like let's suppose I am in education, so I'll just search for education. So here you have all the logos regarding education. Like let's suppose I'm running an academy, so you will have to select a logo from here, and that's the reason I just recommend you pro version, so you have all the pro templates also available. So let's suppose I just want this one is what I liked, so I'll just select it. After selecting it, if you want to edit the image, you can click on edit image, and you can just add effects to it. Let's suppose this effect or any other effect, but I don't want it. If you want to change the color, you can change it from here. And my academy, my business name is that. I want to make it a bit smaller. Learn and earn online. Okay, so this one is my logo, and I have created the logo. And now just what I have to do is I have to go there and I just have to download it. Now if you want any other logo, let's just remove this, and let's suppose I want this logo. You just have to add this, and you can change the things as well in it. And you just have to select a logo, add it here. And if you want to remove watermarks, again you will have to this is a premium element, so you will have to purchase it for $1. This is a premium image, but you can use a lot other images as well. Like let's suppose this one, maybe this one. Yeah, so this one this one is editable, so you can edit the colors as well. Let's suppose this is Khadeen, let it be Khadeen Academy. And this is for Khadeen Academy. Like I want color scheme blue and black, so I'll make other rainbows. Yeah, so I want this kind of scheme. You can use this kind of thing as well. If you want to undo things, you can just press Ctrl Z to undo the things, and you can easily undo the things. And if you want to crop anything, you can easily do that. Now just sorry, group these things, and you can make it bigger as well. Just group it and you can make it more bigger. I think it wasn't grouped well, so that's now more bigger. And now you have one more thing, which is this alignment thing. So you can align the things in center using this. So now it's in center, and now we'll just go to share, download, and we'll have to download it in PNG. Now to get transparent background, you will again have to get the pro version, and you would if you want to download it in like without background, then you would have to get the pro version. And if you want to download like in SVG or any other format, again you would have to get the pro version. Download it, and that's all. Your logo has been successfully downloaded. Just deliver it to the client and get the payments you want. So this is all for logo, and let's just move on to the next tutorial.